In this video, we will try to understand the Python queue. Queue is one of the kind of container which hold the data, and queue normally work in FIFO manner, that is first in, first out. So queue hold the data like list, set, dictionary, and tuple, and queue is basically hold the data which is in the first in, first out. So whatever data you put first will be come out first. It can also design in the form of LIFO also, that is last in first out. So let's try to understand how to define a queue and how to use a queue module. So first we are going to import a queue. This is a module which is a predefined. Okay, and I'm creating a queue which is queue.queue. I want you to see this queue and this one. So when you don't write LIFO, it is considered to be as FIFO, first in, first out. So whatever value you are going to put first, it is going to be come out first. So the queue is being defined now. I'm going to put the first value is 10. Okay, so put is a keyword, and the second value I'm going to put is a 20. So when I get the first value, so the 10 will come out first and then the 20 will come out first. Now if I put the 20 first, then the 10, and if I run it, the 20 will come out first and then 10 will come out. So whatever first will be kept inside the queue, that will come out first. That is called FIFO, first in, first out queue. So now I'm defining queue one more time, and I'm going to put 20 values inside that. So what are the 20 values? From 0 to 19. These are the value I'm going to put inside that using for loop. Now when I get the first value outside, it will be for sure 0. The second value 1. The third value 2, and so on. Now let's define this queue one more time here. So let me take this queue one more time here. So now I'm putting again 20 values. Okay, this has already been here. Okay, so I'm putting 20 values 0 to 19, and let's take all value outside using while loop. So you can see. Okay, let me run it one more time. Okay, from 0 to 19, the value first which is kept is 0. So the first value which is coming out to be is 0 itself. Okay, great. So now coming to the next, and that next is Python LIFO. That is last in, first out. Okay, so Q is equal to LIFO Q. So I'm going to put the first value as 10, the second value as 20. So the last value will come out first. 20 will come out first, and then 10 will come out. Suppose I put a 200 over here and 300 here. So I'm going to put first 200, then 100. So when I run it, the 100 will come out first, last in, first out. Great. So now I'm creating a queue again, that is LIFO queue, and I'm going to put the value from 0 to 19. If I get the first value, 19 will come out, 18 will come out, 17 will come out. Again, I'm putting the value from 0 to 19, and I can take all the values outside using while loop. So it is a LIFO, that is last in. So 19 will come out first, then up to 0. So I hope this tutorial is very clear. I just quickly revise. This is a one kind of a container which can hold the value in a LIFO manner or a FIFO manner. So whatever you value you put, if it is coming out first, that is FIFO, first in, first out. And whatever value you put last, and if it is coming out first, then it is called as a LIFO, that is last in, first out. So Q is a very good container to hold the value. It is like a list, set, dictionary, and tuple.